Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Vikas. In today's video, we're going to have a look at a very special cookie. This cookie is called brown butter and pecan vanilla cookie. One of the softest, crunchiest cookie that you'll ever find. You can enjoy this cookie with a cup of coffee or just by itself. The best part of this cookie is the brown butter notes that comes through. This cookie definitely tops one of my favorite cookies that we baked at the kitchen. So let's start. For making this cookie, I've taken 400 grams of butter. It's unsalted butter, and we're going to put the butter in a pan and allow it to cook it. So basically we're making clarified butter. What happens when you make clarified butter, the milk solid starts to caramelize, and that gives you a very nice nutty buttery flavor to your butter. So when you put the butter in the pan, initially it will start crackling, but over a period of time, once the moisture evaporates, there will be no crackling sound, and you will see slowly the butter starts to brown or caramelize. Once you have the desired caramel color or the brown color, you can put this butter in a bowl and allow it to come down to room temperature. You can also put it in the fridge so that it sets really well. Once the butter is completely set, we'll break it down into small pieces and put it in a KitchenAid mixer for creaming. So we toss this butter in a KitchenAid bowl, and with the help of a paddle attachment, we'll make sure the butter gets soft enough. Once the butter is soft enough, we will add 100 grams of icing sugar to it. You can also add a little bit of vanilla at this stage. Allow the butter and sugar to cream really well. This is very important. You need to give at least 4 to 5 minutes of creaming, which incorporates a lot of air in your butter and also makes your butter icing really soft and fluffy. You will slowly see the color of the buttercream getting pale white because of the air incorporation. Once you have reached the desired texture of your buttercream, we will combine all our dry ingredients together. For the dry ingredients, I've taken 490 grams of all-purpose flour, 195 grams of pecan nuts, which are chopped into fine pieces, 2 grams of sea salt, 2 grams of baking powder, and some vanilla. We combine all the dry ingredients together in a bowl, and once all the dry ingredients are well combined, we'll add it to the mixing bowl. Once the dry ingredients are added to the bowl, we'll start the mixer and mix it gently for around a minute so that all your flours or the dry ingredients get combined with the butter and the sugar. While the flour is mixing, we'll also add 20 grams of dark rum. Once your dry ingredients, butter, sugar and the rum is well combined, you need to get a very crumbly dough. Do not over mix it because you don't want any gluten formation. When the dough is ready, just with your hand get the dough together, and we'll make small dough balls. We'll make a small depression inside and place them on the baking tray. You can do this step well in advance and keep this unbaked cookie in the fridge for a few days and bake it as and when required. For me, I'm going to straight away bake it in the oven at around 170 degrees centigrade for 12 minutes. So I'll put these cookies in the oven for baking. However, while the cookies are baking, I want you to have a look at this video. This video is for School for European Pastry and Culinary Arts. We are situated in Mumbai and Gurugram. School for European Pastry is a esteemed baking, pastry and culinary school distinguished as one of the finest globally. Our vision is to nurture, equip and empower our students to become tomorrow's industry leaders. Whether you aspire to join the hospitality industry or embark on an entrepreneurial journey, we are committed to providing you with vital training and resources needed to excel in either path. Your growth and success are a source of immense pride for us. Once the cookies are baked and well cooled, we will dust with generous amount of icing sugar, or you can also use cinnamon sugar or vanilla sugar for dusting. Well, this was my brown butter pecan cookie. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please let me know in the comment section and hit the like button. And if you're not subscribing to my channel, I would request you to please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon.